Shenzhen TechWin Precision Machinery Company Limited. Founded in 2005. Headquartered in Xinqiu Street, Baoan District, Shenzhen. It is a DIP THT solution provider in the electronics manufacturing, integrating R&D, design, production, sales, service, and foreign trade. The company has over 220 professionals, office and production facilities covering 33,000 square meters. The company has been honored with multiple prestigious titles, including National Certi Little Giant Enterprise, leading enterprise in the inserter segment of SMT, Shenzhen Famous Brand Enterprise, and Contract Honoring and Creditworthy Enterprise. TechWin adheres to its business philosophy of quality first, customer orientation, and continuous improvement, and remains committed to independent R&D. From manufacturing to smart manufacturing, we embrace Industry 4.0, relentlessly refine our products. Our main products include K-Series automatic radial inserters, 0.14 second per point, highly integrated system, bus-based servo control, high adaptability, and automatic refill. A 30 series automatic axial inserter, pioneering 360 servo rotary platform, flexible process window, unique 45 forming die holder with extremely low pull force range. Our 20 series automatic radial inserter, high precision fixed vision system, extended accuracy deviation correction capability, laser marking machine, high precision laser system, high precision CCD vision system, efficient fume collection and filtration, diverse configuration options, clean process environment. Reflow soldering series, nitrogen protection soldering unit, significantly improved wettability, reduced void rate. Wave soldering series, full process nitrogen protection solution, patented wave nozzle system, professional R&D team, efficient system management, and rigorous production control are the core competitiveness of TechWin. Online visualized after-sales service. Let every customer experience a one-stop, convenient service for quick problem solving. Customers can scan the machine's QR code. The after-sales service app. Online customer service. To report equipment faults directly. Attaching photos or videos. Quickly and easily convey information. Receiving customers' repair info in time. After-sales customer outreach. Or on-site service. Long-term partnerships with renowned enterprises.